Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So it has been some time that this channel has not published any Blender related content, and this person today is also different. I'm Maulik, so don't just let's go deep into the video straight, not any side talks. So today I have brought currency animation that with which I think a lot of After Effects users are familiar with. I'm also an After Effects user, so we love to recreate this currency animation, and mostly you see dollar here, not Nepali currency, because I'm Nepali, so I put Nepali currency here. So in Blender, in Blender 5.1 beta that I'm using right now, showing you right now, it's very easy to create this kind of currency animation. You don't need any plugin. Saying that, we have in Blender, if you don't know, we have a lot of plugin. We have you can just download right from the software, from the preferences tab, from this extension menu. So this video will be like my way of trying to say to the After Effects users that you can use Blender 3D, and that's why also I created this kind of SaaS kind of animation. You can say pay, yeah, so you can fake 2D from 3D, and it's much more wholesome. You get to learn the real 3D also, how the world works also, and you can do this kind of After Effects animation. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'll let you know how you can do it, and I'll also share this blend file with you, and you can if you have downloaded Blender 5.1, you will have to download Blender 5.1 to use this file. So let's get in from the beginning. How you can create this. I just created one scene from here, and I'm just adding one plane. You can see from here what I have added, the shortcuts. If you are not familiar, if you are familiar, kudos to you. And I am just going to create add one geometry nodes, or you can just do it from here, or new, and get rid this of group input and have a strings to curve. I think you are on with it. This is my first time doing Blender tutorials. So now we have this string. If you input Blender here also, Blender from Nepal, yeah, you get to see this, but it is facing upwards. I changed the position here. Yeah, now it is easily viewable. Now to do that currency animation magic, you don't have to do any expression. You just need some nodes, some little nodes. You have to put one join string node. Okay, first thing is that. Second, you do a value to string. No, you do one string node only. So it will give you rupees or dollar if you want dollar in your pocket. Then you also get one value to string node. Voila, you have $0 with you. Now you can say you want $5,000. Then Blender is generous enough you to give you $5,000 right away, and you can create. I am inserting keyframe here while having this cursor in front of this. I'm pressing I, so it has put a keyframe in our timeline, and I want to start it from zero to $5,000. I want to animate it going from 0 to 5,000. Now you have this keyframe here, and you can position it from the start, or maybe from the middle. You can tweak also so you can tweak animation of this also in graph editor also. I'll not go into that also, in another video maybe, if After Effects users want. And this is my video also as I said, for the After Effects user, because they do that here a lot. So you can see, so easy, you don't need any plugin. And if you want to create a modifier that I have created for you, so just you go to group input and you just put this value here, put this value here, and if you want to put this also, then you don't need this. Just use this one, and strings here. So dollar, oh it came last, so we have to change the when it went first. This string went to this join string and then this, so it honors, it respects hierarchy, who come first. So dollar came first, so dollar will get the first place, then after the letters will be shown. And here you can also change how many decimals you want, or you want it or not. And you can also change fonts from here, any font you want. I'm just using this basic font here. So this is a way, very simple way to create currency animation in Blender 3D. And come to Blender 3D, download it. You can just download it from the site. So yeah, this much I wanted to. So I will be giving you this Blender file also. If you are familiar with geometry nodes, Blender and Modifier, you will be able to use this mark as asset, this modifier I have created. You will have this Blender file, so mark this modifier as asset from here, like, yeah. So I have already marked it as asset. When you have this file, go here and just mark as asset. So whenever you want to use this currency counter, you will have this in your asset library, and you can use this multiple times, many times you want, and no charge for it, no plugins to install, so easy. So yeah, After Effects user, currency animation is possible in Blender 3D. Welcome to Blender 3D. Download the Blender file, start your journey, but keep it in mind, you have to have 5.10 beta. See you again in another tutorial or another Blender content or any kind of content I'll be posting in this channel.